Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to make this mixture for the tamalitos. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm going to be pouring some liquid in there, and that's water. That's distilled water that I get at my local co-op store. And then you just kind of, oops, make sure this is, oh, it's got to get plugged, right? It would help. It's like, I don't need this to, okay, here you go. So we turn that on and we allow it to blend. So I'm going to save my corn cobs, like I mentioned. Make a nice corn cob jelly. And you just blend it until it's smooth. Okay, so as you've seen, I blended it, and at this point, because the corn is, this is my last batch of corn that was given to me. The corn is pretty, it's still sweet. So no sugars are, we really didn't add any sugars at all because the corn was sweet. But it was once a year that my my relatives would get together and make some tamalitos, and it was a tradition because my grandmother, she's the one that owned a corn farm. She owned a corn farm, and that was her sustainable. I think I mentioned that a couple times. So here's some pictures. Let me see if I can get this glare off. See, these are the corns. That's my mom, my aunt by marriage, and my mom's brother, Tío Justo and Mama Estela. And this is how we harvested the corn. And then we would make we'd put it all in a bucket, and then we'd, you know, take the kernels off with a knife. And that's how I do it, good old-fashioned way, right? I know they have some corn, and then he would, I mean, they have some corn things. I don't even use it, the corn, whatever, pillar. It's my uncle. He's going to a nearby grinder where this gentleman is nearby. They grind up, you know, where they make tamales and everything is done right there fresh. And that's what they have in Baja California and Mexico, which is Mexicali. And so this, after we put them together, they steamed them, and then they come out with tamalitos. And that's what we would have with some salsa. And of course, they make some tortas. And yeah, that's me going to the pastry over there, and they have like all kinds of food on every corner. Anyways, but I wanted to show you that real quick. Of course, we have to, like, everything's different here in the States. So I'll make them close to the way, the traditional way of making them. You can also add some vegetarian broth in there, and this can also be a vegan if you prefer. I use butter, so like I said, my clarified butter is clarifying. I like using butter, and clarified butter with my tamalitos, which gives it a nice flavor and just makes the masa really delicious. So with other ingredients, so soon I'll be mixing it and making my little tamalitos with jalapeno and cheese. Okay, have a good one.